My carpets and upholstery look so dirty and I really want everything to be clean again.
But who can clean carpets and upholstery properly?
Do you know anyone who can clean my carpets and furniture?
Yes, you should contact Dunn Home Maintenance. They provide great carpet and upholstery cleaning and protection services.
That sounds perfect. I'll contact them today. Hello, I need carpet and upholstery cleaning for my home. Of course, we're happy to help you.
Don't worry, we'll make your home look fresh and clean again. Thank you, I'm excited to see the results. Wow, everything looks so fresh and spotless. Ha! Thank you, Dunn Home Maintenance, for the amazing cleaning service.
Dunn Home Maintenance de Seondes, making your home cleaner and fresher.